Luxury was really one of our top keys with designing the interior. We knew the limit of a luxury pickup truck just wasn't there yet, right? And so we put a lot of effort in just the details, the touch, the feel, even the smell of when you open the door, you know, the sort of inundated with the sense of the leathers. Leather is key. It's your touch and the feel all around the cabin. For us on our Longhorn and our limited models, our top true trim levels, we use 100% full grain leather. It means the leather is natural. So any place that you look on these seats, front, back, side, left, right, up and down, it's all leather. And that's one of the things that we can say and the competition can't. There's an extensive use of metal in the truck. We have woods, real wood, so you can actually go in there and you can actually feel the barn wood in our Longhorn truck, and on the limited truck you get the sense of this tuxedo stripe feel to it. When you talk luxury, it's about having the best of the best. You know? So for us, being able to put the 12-inch screen in there, it fits nicely into the pickup truck. It brings all the connectivity. We have 5 USB ports. The 12-inch screen allows you to split the items that you have up on the screen, so you can have a navigation, you can have audio. And when we talk audio, that leads into our Harman Kardon audio system. So we have our 19 speaker system, so it's the first time we've put 19 speakers into a pickup truck. It's a 900 watt audio system. It's not only sounding great, but the appearance of the speaker grills. So on our Longhorn, we have metal grills. It's an expanded metal mesh, but then on Limited we actually have stainless steel. And it's just an amazing sight when you open the doors and you see these bright speaker grills. You get the little Harman Kardon badge on there, but then you turn the dial up and the volume, and it just, it's an awesome sounding stereo system. The system's tuned appropriately for the truck. A lot of energy from our engineering audio team went into building the truck. As designers, we are always shooting for more. We're always reaching, you know, for what's next, what's the next greatest thing out there. But this is an awesome pickup truck. We've poured, you know, our blood, sweat, and tears into this pickup truck, and that goes for everyone here at FCA. They've poured a lot into this pickup truck. It's very important for our portfolio, but there's some really great things to come.